Hey, I'm Orby 2.0, your little TikTok live game robot. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to use our system to build your own live interactive games, even if you've never written a single line of code. Step 1, go to chattalkgaming.com and log in. Once you're in, click on your profile picture and go to My Games. Then hit Create New Game to open the game builder. Step 2, let the AI do the heavy lifting. On our blog, we give you a special guide that walks you through using AI to turn your idea into a real TikTok live interactive game. You just describe the game you want: trivia, racing, battles, dating, whatever you can think of, and the AI helps build the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for you. No coding degree required. Just your idea, plus our system. Step 3, plug your game into ChatTalk Gaming. You paste the code into the game builder. Give your game a name, a short description, a how-to, and a thumbnail, then save it. After you have tested the game, click the Save Changes button. Then proceed back to the My Games page. You will see your game, click the green arrow to submit for review. And here's the fun part. I was built the exact same way. This version you're seeing right now, Orby 2.0, was created using the same ChatTalk gaming tools you'll get access to. Very soon, you'll be able to drop me right into your TikTok lives as your little co-host. Reading scripts, introducing your games, and talking to your audience while your game runs in the background.